So come check us out, family. Get your hog on with us. Let's see what's going on inside so you can kind of see what the shop look like. Nice area. You see what they doing in here. They're working on trucks. So it's a lot of things that we can do pertaining to welding to even help them out with their mechanic work when it comes to taking engines out, building brackets, welding different brackets on there. The owner was already talking about how certain specialty welding plates and different things he have to put on the trucks. He have to take the trucks all the way down to get this done. And by us partnering up with him, we can be able to do all the welding and fabrication to help him out inside the shop. So we can be able to kill several birds in one stone, and that's the goal. As you see, this is a real shop, family. They're really, really getting their work on. They got different opportunities as well. He has opportunities for inmates and different people looking for jobs when it comes to truck driving and come to being a mechanic and things of that nature. So there's many opportunities when it comes to things like that. So I think that this is going to be a no-brainer opportunity for somebody that want to come down and get a trade, fam, because you're going to be able to work on equipment. You're going to be able to real live time and in real time put your hands on some things. And this is going to be the area right here. We are going to section off of the welding school. Great area. You see we got a roll-up door here, and then it's also a roll-up door at the rear, and it'll be the side entrance. We'll actually be coming into the school from that door. We won't be walking around like we did now. We'll be coming in from here, and we'll have the booths and everything set up in here. So we have the electrical, the power, everything to be set up. So when y'all come back again, you'll see all of this will be all cleaned out. We'll have the floors pressure washed, and then we'll start getting our equipment and setting up, starting to put some tables and things like that in here. But this is gonna be a great area. Great location. Soon as you walk out the back door for breaks and things like that, you see the Waffle House. We got a different place to eat. We got a gas station right across the street. The freeway is right there. And for those who coming down, it's going to be staying. Like if you're going to come down here and stay 8 weeks and do the program, or stay 6 weeks. We also got some housing that we're working on. We got 2 hotels that's directly across the street, and they're gonna give us some great numbers on the housing so we can help people when they come in. For being here for 8 weeks and 16 weeks, that'll be a great place to stay. Clean location, family. I already went over there and checked it out, so it's gonna be a great opportunity for those that wanna come in if they're driving in from a distance. That way you can stay here, go to school, and just dig this out. It's only gonna be for 4 hours a day, Monday through Thursday, 4 hours a day, so you'll be able to work, pick your schedule, and still leave here and be able to make your money. So it's going to be a win-win. Our goal is to help the economy in the area, to really give back, and just to show some of the youngsters that they can use something like welding, use their hands and make money. A lot of us come from different areas and rural environments where all we know is one thing. All we know is hustling. All we know is robbing. All we know is drugs. And we're trying to change that narrative. We're trying to change the narrative to bring trades back. Bring trades back alive. Me and my brother was talking about the 5 fists, the finger trades. And one of them is welding, carpentry, plumbing, HVAC, electrical. Those things can change the game for you forever, because you can build the infrastructure. You can actually have some wealth. So we're going to start teaching them just more than welding. We teach life skills. So we're going to be teaching them some principles they can use, that they can take out of here, and they can build their own. You can start off as a job, and then they can build a career, and then they can have a business. So there's no cap when it comes to welding, and that's what we want to do. We want to mold these people, mold these young men, and to be better, and just show them that somebody from where they from, looking like them, can do it. So that's our whole purpose behind this, and this is a whole full black-owned business. So our goal is to really give back and show that somebody like us, that look like us, can really do this without switching up or selling out. We really physically gonna be in here welding, touching things. So our goal is to have 2 instructors in here, so we can have them 2 shifts going, but with those 3 shifts going from 8 to noon, from 1 to 5. and from 6 to 10. So it's going to be a game changer. So y'all stay in tune. We're going to be bringing y'all more information. Y'all check out the website. It's going to be coming soon. We're going to have it coming soon. Your Welding Coach. We also have some things that we're working on with Outlaw Leather to bring out some welding hoods. Shout out to Froom Dog. We're going to be buying our Froom extractors from them. So they've been giving us some good deals and working with us. So our goal is to really change the game, and we're going to start here in Union City. So if y'all going to come down here and get your hog on, fam, if y'all cool with us, come down here and fool with us, fam. Y'all know where we at in Union City. Hog on.